Okay, so today we are going to do a double elimination reaction on this molecule here. As you may recall, whenever you have vicinal bromides like this, sometimes not one, but two eliminations can occur, leading to an alkyne product. And that is what we are going to see today. Basically, the interesting thing about this reaction is that normally doing two eliminations like this would take kind of a long time, but to speed things up for us, we're going to use a microwave, which is what is meant by this. So basically, we're going to run this reaction in a microwave flask, and that will allow us to seriously cut down on the time that we need to spend heating, and it will also make it safer for us to use the ethanol, because we're going to use a sealed flask, so our ethanol is not going to boil off, and we should reach this product, which is also pretty convenient because we can use the fact that KBR and our organic product are not soluble in the same type of solvents to allow us to crash out our product in good yield. Okay, so all of our reactants are now in this microwave reaction flask. We have our potassium hydroxide, our brominated material that we're using, and our ethanol. And also we have put in a tiny stir bar already. So now all that's left to do is basically assemble our flask and put it into the microwave. So first you want to put this cap on top here. Then this is the cap we need. Tighten it by hand first, and then you're going to also want to make sure that it's tight enough by using this guy. So then when you hear the clicks, that's pretty good. So we already have some other samples on our rotator thing. You want to make sure that they're very well balanced, which these are, every 4 slots. So this guy can go in here. And one of them has a spot for a temperature probe to go, which is helpful for us because we want to make sure we know what temperature our sample gets to. And then, we can just put this on top and take it to the microwave. Okay, so our reaction has come out of the microwave now. It looks like this. I've allowed it to cool just in a regular water bath, and we see a lot of precipitate here, but that is not the precipitate we want, so we're going to add it to water instead. So we're probably going to have to wash this in and do a bit of scraping, so it's pretty stuck. So I have some water here. This might take a little bit. Basically what we're going to have happen is the original white precipitate we were seeing, which was not what we were hoping to collect, the KBR, that should get dissolved by the water that we're dumping it into and now using to wash it out with, and hopefully it will allow our organic product to precipitate out. Okay. So now I'm going to pour this onto the vacuum and vacuum filter. I'm going to get alright, so you can see the vacuum's on because it's missing a little bit. I'm going to get my filter paper a little wet first. There we go. And now I will pour this over slowly.